Okay, everybody. Yes, afternoon to you. Yeah, I would just like to have some sharing on this DJI Pocket. All right, it's a new toy, really very good. And as we all know that there is this connector, yeah, for the handphone. So let's say, for example, when we put on a straight to the point, okay, whereby there is some advantage of this connect to the handphone, right? And this is in this way, and a lot of video on YouTube already stated how is it being done, and some features is being able to control by the handphone. But let's say, for example, we are going on a different angle, like let's say overhead or on a lower angle. Sometimes we have to bend very low and things like that, or have to stretch out very high. So in this situation, we're using the handphone together with this device is a little bit of troublesome. So I just discovered that we have this USB-C connector from this pocket, right? You can, what I will do is that I just discovered, just try out, let me just put it right. Okay, we have this I bought this cable from Apple store with the USB-C and this lightning cable. So what I do is I connect this to the device itself, and okay, let me unplug it. Okay, and right now I plug the lightning cable. By the way, this phone is iPhone 6 Plus. Okay, so I was thinking, see whether is there a possibility there's a connection. Okay, yes, you can see that I leave this unplugged. So if this is able to do a connection, so I can move this freely without really using this together with the device. So it, in a way, it's better. But of course, there's this new device accessory. We come with a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. They are coming up soon, and to see how they can also implement the workflow and also assess the better workflow on capturing video and image. I mentioned that with the cable, if it works, it will be quite a good kind of way of remote control with cable. A little bit of old-fashioned, okay, temporary solution. With this cable, and then you can so-called not attached to the system itself. More freedom. Yeah. So let's see. Okay, and let's bring it back. All right, as it is. Okay, bring it back. Okay, what happens that right now you can see that the system is already both connected by cable. Okay, there you are. Okay, so it is now able to do a so-called wired remote kind of thing. Yeah. Okay. Honestly, this has been tried about 5 minutes to get them connected. Okay. There may be some glitches using the cable. Alright, just beware. Okay. Because I take 5 minutes to rectify this, it's not always, as I mentioned, not 100% foolproof. Okay, so how you know that it will be on successful connected by the cable is when they will auto, so-called they will auto show up the screen, what you're seeing from your pocket device. So another way of confirming that there's a connection, you can go to the home. Okay, you can go back to home, and then you can see there's this little blue color camera is in this camera's logo is turned to blue, so it's confirmed that it is connected. Yeah, so there we are. So this is how it's been done. Yeah, so hope that this is can be very helpful for our initial production. Anybody that is going off to shoot, this is another way of getting around. Yep. Okay, hope that you all like this video, and then see you all soon again. See you all have a good creative kind of video capturing. Bye bye.